Hi, Ate Jeng! Paano ko nakita yung, comment mo agad-agad? 8 p.m. on Netflix. So, let's see. Hi, Ate Kit! 5,000 people. Hello! Shout out. Hello po sa mga nasa Dubai. And sa mga kaibigan natin mga Muslim, yun po yung role ko as Jamila. Sana makanood po kayo mamaya, 8 p.m. on Netflix. I'm gonna end this now. Ano ba? Hindi ko na alam sasabihin ko. Hindi na ako. Ikot live! No! You can turn off the mic. Ito yung comments.
This
Ito
is
yung
my
viewers.
first
Viewers, 7.1 million viewers! Oh my God, ang dami.
Huh? 17. Hi. It's my first time to do live. Hi everyone.
Ever?
Yeah. Hi.
Panoorin po mamaya 8 p.m. on Netflix, Lord versus Beauty. Thank you guys! Bye-bye!